All right, somebody help me diagnose this. 1990 Ranger 4x4 auto. Somebody with this red wire here has bypassed the neutral safety switch, which is fine for the moment. There it is, I've traced it. The truck starts and runs, and it'll do that in any gear. But the thing is, it just doesn't move. I've checked, I've not measured the pressure, but as you can tell here, when you start it with that line disconnected, it throws transmission fluid. So I know I've got a decent pump, at least a pump that's not dead. Can the neutral safety switch prevent it from moving at all? Like it just, here, I'll start it. And I'm gonna go to reverse. Yeah, it does that in every gear. So I guess, can the neutral safety switch in something this new cause the transmission to not ever actually go into gear? Doesn't seem like it should, but maybe. And the next question would be, what else might? So the only noise that you hear, and I'll leave the phone out here just to catch the noise. As it starts, you can hear it a little bit when it starts. Sounds like, I don't know, but you can listen. I've got a video of looking inside the access panel on the transmission, so you can see that all of that kind of moves all at once. Definitely it all moves all at once. So 2.9 liter V6 automatic transmission 4x4. Why won't it move under its own power? Any ideas are welcome. Thank you.